this is my first YouTube video, so I'm not gonna be that good at it, okay? Now, before I start, I'm not a girl, I'm a boy. Everyone calls me a girl. I'm gonna show you how to make this rocket launcher, this sniper. Now let's start with this rocket launcher, okay? It's very simple. It's very beginners of Legos. And you start this piece. Add 2 canisters to the wide back. Try to stay at the top right now. Add 2 canisters. Should be looking like this. Then you add another canister to the other side. Yeah, that. And there's the rocket launcher. So you could see it. I zoom in. This that just built is the rocket, and just attach it. Now this sniper rifle. This one took me like a little while to find the pieces and stuff, so it's gonna take a little while to get. Okay, I like the rocket launcher. It has okay. Now you need like a red stick. You need this at the end. You need this like the rocket launcher, as I said. You put it back at the end. Now, time for the scope. There should be these 2 pieces. Sorry, I told you that's not good. And you take any type of canister. You add the one of not the stud onto the back. Then you add it to the stud like this. Then you add it to the back, way back, to the end of the red ball. Now, for like these wrench thingies, you put it on like this. Move it back. Oops. Move back right there. Then you turn it like this. Same thing the other one, but turn it the opposite way. Should end up looking like this. Good. Now, let's see. I didn't mention this, but here's my guy. I'm going to show you how to hold them, the weapons. Bazooka. Holds it like this. Fire the rocket! And now the sniper rifle. I made this guy as well. Sniper! Well, as I said, it's my first YouTube video, and I said I was not going to be good, and also, let me remind you, I am not a girl, I'm a boy. B-O-Y, boy. Thanks for watching.